Hello everyone, I am Bhaskar from HaleForm Technology Solutions. We are a company located in India and we provide admin, programming and customization related services on Hexagon and Aviva applications. We provide services on both 3D and 2D format and today I will explain you one of our format of service that we provide on which is we call team as a service. So team as a service is a new concept that we have developed and we are deploying it to our at our client side. Uh, in the team as a service service format, what we do is we provide a complete team of programmers, of catalog expert, and admin and if required and if the customer or client does not has a DBA, we include DBA as well. Uh, in this, there are two formats where uh, if it is required by our client, we send a team at the client side. Uh, there are two portions of our team. First team is which is basically located at the client side, which is front facing, which needs to interact or which needs to be available at our client side. Uh, that team basically sits at client location or front face with our client. And the second one is the backend team. The backend team, what it does is it supports the front facing team with customization and programming related activities. Uh, so in this team, there are essentially the members. There is one project information manager who is sort of lead at the team, and he or she front faces with the client, with the engineering team, with design team, and everyone else is under his or her supervision. They basically uh, work under his supervision and his guidance. It is sort of full-time support. It is similar to having an admin team in their at the client location. If you don't want to get into any trouble of building the team of application specialists at your end, hiring and maintaining a team, or if there is another project, there is a new upcoming project where you need to have a pool of people who takes care of services. For both cases, these are suitable. And we have worked on both client side and from remote for on this format. There will be no freelancers involved. The complete project is taken care by our team, and this service, the people are at the ground level where they front face with the modelers, the engineers, the designers. They look into the day-to-day issues. They look into the day-to-day customization like report customization, drawing customization, ISO customization, or any other requirement that is there from the client side. They take care of that. And we also have a pool of catalog developers or RDB people and programming people who are well versed with the application development using the APIs of Hexagon and Aviva. So if there is a library to be built on piping specification or electrical specification or any structure library that needs to be developed or any equipment library needs to be developed, any support library needs to be developed, any rule checker command or custom command needs to be developed, or any name rule needs to be customized. Everything is taken care of by our team from start to finish. Uh, our team at the back end, these are catalog and programming team works as a back support. They uh, they sit at our office and interface with the ground team, and then uh, they help uh, they help our team to deliver on time on the project. They handhold them. The one more key to this type of service format is Freshdesk ticketing system. So everything that the client or the modelers or the engineers they need to raise a ticket, and it is a very easy process to raise the ticket. And we keep the track of all the activities, all the requirements, or if we need to have our team size increased, everything is taken care by this Freshdesk system, and we monitor the tickets regularly. Also, we send the Freshdesk ticket status on regular cycle to our client, so that there's a full visibility or transparency on how the project is on how the project is being taken care, or how the project is progressing. So there's a clear transparency on that. The main thing that we are proud to say is that we say that there is a zero time because of resignations or long leaves. And that's our assurance. That's our one of our key area where we take care very seriously. If there is a mishappening at our employee side, and or there's a health issue and he or she needs to take long leaves, they definitely are replaced if the uh, burden or the project stage is at that level where that that role needs to be filled. There will be a replacement in no time. And if there is a resignation, a proper handover is done, and a proper taken. There's a handover done, and before the person leaves, there's another person who takes care, who sits at the who interfaces with our client, and there's no zero time because of these issues. And last but not the least, if there's a requirement that uh, the client's project has, and they need to have any application that we have already developed and is available as a separate service, these things will be available as a as a service. In these products will be available for our client to take to be used or utilized in the project. So in a nutshell, this is our team as a service in team as a service format that we provide to our client. We have we are basically deploying this service at some few of our client. And if you are interested, if you think that this is useful and you want to have a discussion with us, please do contact us on these emails, and we'll get in touch with you. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for listening to this video. Uh, do drop us an email or any feedback you have. Thank you so much.